You've seen them. Maybe you've even helped out with one, but kids don't even think about buying from them. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Punk bake sales. A new law in Massachusetts is about to kick in that bans the sale of sweet treats at public schools, starting a half hour before class until a half hour after it ends. No sales allowed. There's a push to make all of this 24/7. That means that things like football concession stands could be nixed too. Judge Andrew Napolitano says this is the Lulu zone. Crazy.
I'm laughing at the gloom and doom of the background music and your narration, but this is very serious. This is not a law enacted by the legislature and the governor. This is an administrative regulation promulgated by some bureaucrats in Boston who had basically taken a Supreme Court decision. You remember that crazy case, Bong Hits for Jesus?
Yes.
When a kid held a crazy sign up at a parade and was disciplined by the school, and he challenged the school, and the Supreme Court said, if it affects student life or school assets, it can be regulated by the school. So Massachusetts has taken that and extended it to, since sugar may affect school student life or school assets, we can regulate sugar even in your home.
But a half hour before school, half hour after school, maybe push this 24/7. I could see the food police, but this is now out of control.
I realize I'm talking to somebody who likes yodels and wingdings.
Yes.
But they are as American as apple pie, as is the concept of a bake sale, as is the use of a bake sale to raise money for extracurricular activities.
You and I agree, your personal swipe notwithstanding. I think that this is a slippery slope. It shocks me that it's in that state, but do you see others following? And wouldn't this be legally opposed or challenged?
Well, the fact that they now want to make this 24/7 would basically say to parents and students, you can't even do this on a Saturday in your driveway, as opposed to a Thursday afternoon in the school parking lot.
So it's one thing if your kids party at school, you know, but now they're trying to extend this to anything.
It shows that the government, particularly in the state of Massachusetts, does not recognize any limitations on its power. It shows that the bureaucrats who run that government think they know what's better for us and our children than they do. And it shows that they will use the laws to tell us how to live if our lifestyles disagree with what they want us to do.
What if they had a baked apple sale? You know what I'm saying? That if it were healthy fare or healthier fare in their eye, they would be okay with that.
Yes, they would. Who would buy a baked apple when you can have a wingding?
Very true. It's a ring-ding, by the way. Obviously, you're not very up on the unhealthy. Oh, sure, you know the Constitution, but, man, oh, man, when it comes to confectionery products, a little weak. All right.
I wanted to see if you were paying attention.
Judge Andrew Napolitano, there you go. Not so sweet developments. All right.